Hello learners, I hope you guys are doing well, and today in this video I will be showing you how I created this project using the movie database API key. So basically this is the website that I got the API key from, and I used that API key to fetch some movies and TV shows to my web application. And this is the welcome page, so I will walk you through what I have done, and then we will start coding from the scratch. And I have done that in React and TypeScript. So let's go have a look at the home page. So guys, this is the home page. As you can see, I have a cover image, and which is actually rendering dynamically from the endpoint. Now you can see there's an Oppenheimer's poster. If we refresh the page, it will change. Now you can see the Barbies here, and also this trending and upcoming movies. All of these are API endpoints that I'm just passing to this component via props, and then it's just fetching those endpoints and displaying it over here. So I have this one component which renders these items, and all I'm doing is passing the endpoint as a prop. So trending movies here, whatever movies are trending, upcoming movies, popular movies. Remember guys, these are just endpoints that I'm getting from the API from this database, and it's not me, I haven't selected which movies I want to show in popular. It's just coming from the link. Top rated movies, these movies are probably based on the IMDb rating, but I'm not actually sorting that out. I'm just using the endpoint call, and then it's just giving me the top rated movies from the database. Trending shows, top rated shows, and you can see now we have switched to TV shows. All I've done is using pretty much the same component on home page and just changing the props to TV shows. Now it's displaying the shows, top rated shows. And if we go on now playing, here we are again displaying the movies that currently playing in cinema, which I believe that Flash should be out from cinemas because it was a box office disaster. But yeah, it's like I said, it's not me, it's whatever in the database, it's coming here. And you guys can see I have followed a similar approach to this website because I didn't have any design, so I have pretty much done similar to that, but some of my own implementation. And now we have now streaming, so whatever currently streaming on your streaming services provider like Netflix, Disney Plus or Prime. And if you go to popular, this page renders popular movies, but here we have another prop that we are passing to that component, which is pagination. Right now you can see we have next page, so if I click on this, we'll go to next page. Here, next page again. Now we can come back. Reason I have done here because we can have more than 16 popular movies, and you guys can see that I'm fetching 16 movies at a time or 16 TV shows at a time, but there could be more TV shows, and by default I think we can only fetch 20 elements from an API. So after that, anything above 20 we have to use pagination, so hence the pagination is being used here. Same for the shows, we can use the pagination. And if we go to TV shows, over here I'm just using the TV show endpoint, so everything about the TV shows here, trending shows, just like the home page, watch on TV. So this is, I think, what's on your local TV channels. This image is probably not available on the API, so it's not showing. Popular TV shows which also have pagination, you can scroll it. Like I said before, all I'm using is a prop here. Over here I have set the props to false, so I'm not rendering the pagination or buttons. Now over here it's true. You will see when we start coding that what I mean actually. Top rated shows, next, and we can come back. You can keep on going this, let's just keep on going, it doesn't end. So this is the app, and also it's responsive. Of course, everything has to be responsive these days because there are more mobile users than the laptop. People who browse on the website, they mostly use the mobile devices. And has this hamburger menu, which is also working. And as you guys can see, when I browse through different pages, I have this loading state. I will show you how to do that as well. So while data is being fetched, so page is showing loading, which is a good approach when you're fetching API data. And so let's go ahead and jump into the code, and I will show you how we can create this out of nothing using React plus TypeScript.